Alright, Crewton Ramone's House of Math. Raymond in the house. Just built, well, wait a minute here. Some add-ins. How many add-ins did you build? Well, so far, could we count them all? Oops. He's building the 25 add-ins, below 10. Now here we should have a 1 and a 1. And a 2 and a 3. Here's our 3. And here's our 2. There should be a 1. Where's your 1? Isn't there a 1 hanging around? There he is. Put him in there. You've got a couple of 1s. There you go. And that's it. That's the only combination for 3 right there is...
Oh my gosh.
1 and 2, right? 2 and 1, 1 and 2. That's it. And here, if I had another 1, and I do, I could make my add-ins for 2 is just 1 and 1. That's it.
Yeah.
The easiest one, right? Here, we'll put this one here. And put that one in there.
Wait.
He's building a tower. Give me the 1.
Okay.
Well, put it there.
You
put it in there.
I need that tower to... I need that to make...
Okay, and then he's making a little tower over here for fun. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. How many add-ins?
No staircase.
How many add-ins? Let's count. Come here. And look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Those are the add-ins under 10 and under. Now we need to build add-ins 11 through 18. Come and sit down, child.
I'll get something. I need this too. Under the boiling hot.
Come and sit down. Okay. You could have just said, hand me that too, please. Silly boy. Okay, so now, you got your pile o pyramid thing going on over there. Now, we're going to build bigger than... Well, actually, you know what? Let's just go straight to doing some algebra. What do you think?
Oh, I know one.
What?
We can do.
What? You want to play What's Under the Cup?
No, the x square one.
Yeah, the x square one. Let's do some algebra.
So here's one x square.
There it is. Well, let's turn it over and it is. Okay, let's do that and we'll come back. So immediately we go to factoring. What are we doing now? We're just practicing more add-ins. There's your add-in for 5, 2 and 3.
Oh my gosh.
And a little bit of multiplication.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, it's so easy. You got it, right? Okay, what's the... Tell me what are the factors. Count across first.
X and 3, X and 2.
That's right. X plus 3 times X plus 2. These are so easy.
And we can use the guys.
We didn't even use the guys.
Yeah.
X plus 3 times X plus 2. Are you sick?
No.
I just got a little runny nose.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
It's really cold today because it's strong breeze.
Yeah, it was cold this morning.
Yeah.
And then it warmed up. Sometimes it'll give you a runny nose. Okay, how about a bigger one?
Okay.
How about x squared 6x.
And then we'll get to the really big
and
one.
9, and then we'll get to the really big ones. Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
So let's see here. We need, what do we need?
We need...
How many x?
6.
How many x do you have?
1. And 5.
You need 1 more is what you mean. Okay.
And then 9.
9. There's 6.
I just need 1 more 3.
Okay.
3, 6, 9.
Over here grabbing another.
12, 15, 18.
Very good. 3, 6, 9. 12, 15, 18. See, humming a little in his head. His multiplication.
I remember that song. I love it so much.
We'll play it later.
I found it.
There it is. What shape are you going to have when you're done?
A square.
A square. So we don't even have to write it twice. We're going to write it once.
Or the same add-ins.
Well, in this one it's not add-ins, they're factors.
Oh yeah. It's
right? This is a factor and this is a factor.
X and 3, X and 3.
Right, so I can write it like this, watch. X plus 3 squared. You see that? That means it's X plus 3 both ways. Just like this one is an X square, X by X, X by X. That's an X square. We're going to write X plus 3 squared to talk about this one, to describe that one. And can I draw a real quick picture of it?
Okay.
Watch me. I'm going to draw a picture of it. Simple. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm just going to put 9 right there.
1, 9.
Is that easy?
Yeah, I know how to do. I know how to I know how to erase the 9 and put the.
Oh, you want to put the dots?
Yeah.
You can put the dots if you want to. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. I like it. Okay. How about a bigger one?
Okay.
Oh wait. How about we do the same thing with this one, except now instead I'm going to tell you I don't want 9.
What about put 6 right here and
How about
9
we put
right here?
How about we put 8 right here?
I was thinking of switching those around.
All right. Let's see what happens.
And 2x.
You have the same amount of x, but now you can't put 9. You have to put 8. So let's see what happens. Let's see what you do. 8.
2, 4, 6, 8. I'll just
8.
do 2s. 2, 4. Maybe not. 6.
You're going to use 2s?
Yeah.
Okay. That'll probably work, right? How many 2s do you need to make 8?
4.
4. Very good.
2, 4, 6, 8.
There you go. Good.
Round.
Oh, that's it, right? Now you just make room to make it so that the 2s will fit. Okay, we're going to play algebra for a while.
Okay.
And then we'll do something else.
Like what's under the cup?
Okay, we've been fooling around.
X and 6.
So we do. We've worked our way all the way up to x squared, 10x, and 24. We did x squared, 10x, and 21. We did a bunch of these, right? We did x squared, 9x, and 8x, and 6, and all the way up, right? So now, wait a minute. You just built this one. Don't break it up first yet. What's this factor? X plus
6
and
X 4.
Yep. And this took a while for him to build because...
Look at that.
Yeah, because you had to figure out the 24 with the 6s, right? You were thinking 3s, and you were thinking 8s, but that wouldn't give you 10x.
Yeah, I thought the 8s were 7s because 7s and 8s, if you look at the platform, they're both right.
So let's put this over here in the corner like this. And now he wants to do more than 1x squared, right? Because bigger is funner. Here, just put this over here like this. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to write out the partial factors. So there's that. And we're going to write this out.
See, 10.
Mm-hmm.
I mean X.
He underlined it while he was trying to figure out what was going on here. Okay. X plus 6. See that? And X plus 4. That's the up. Now look, Raymond.
Okay.
X times X, there's your X squared.
Mm-hmm.
See it? X times X, X squared. X times 4, 4X. You see him? 6 times X, 6X. You see him? 6 times 4 is 24. There's all your partial products there if I multiplied everything out. Because that's what we're doing. We're saying I'm multiplying this times that. Right?
Yep.
Let's go back. Give me 1x squared, 3x, and 2. Very simple. So just x squared, 3x, and 2. Get rid of all those other x's. You got too many x's. Just x squared, 3x, and 2.
3x.
And all the rest can go back.
Why are you doing this so small?
I know, so easy, because I want to show you some more. And I want to make it easy while I'm showing it to you. Now make that into a rectangle and be fast about it.
That's easy.
That's easy, I know.
Make it like that.
Okay, so x squared, 3x, and 2, super easy. What are the factors?
10.
We're in base x.
Oh yeah, x and 2.
And
X and 1.
Okay,
That's
so
gonna be like a big
I'm going to write this down.
like that.
Yeah, and that's super
Like
easy,
a
right?
house and a house and a house and a house.
Yeah. So here we did
Right,
x squared plus 3x plus 2, and you said that was super easy because you knew it was x plus 2 and x plus 1, right? Now watch. Flip the blocks over. Flip them all over.
Oh, bad. Flip.
Use your other hand too.
Now the 10.
Flip that one over too. Now they're 10s. So now I can see that I have 132, and that's the same thing as 12 times 11. And I can do the partial products with this too. 10 times 10. What's 10 times 10?
10 times 10? Oh yeah, 10 times 10 is 100.
Is 100. Where's the 100 there? Okay. What's 10 times Wait, 10 times 10, and then 10 times 1.
10 times 1 is 10.
Just 10. And then 2 times 10, there they are, 2 tens. And then 2 times 1 is 2. See it?
Oh, look.
Yep. And we can change it around. We can make it, this is 12 across and 11 up. Can I move it like this and do like this? Look over here. 12 times 11. Look, what am I going to get? Well, I'm going to get...
1 and 1 is 2.
1 times...
2.
Wait a minute. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 10 is 10. And that's easy. 1, 12. And then I can say 12 more 10s because it's 10 times 12. And then I can add them together and get 1, 3, 2. In fact, I can fool around. I know, pretty cool, huh? In fact, I can fool around and show here, look. If I have 12 across and 11 up, there's my up, there's my across. Watch, watch, watch. Let's split and shift like this. Watch. I'm going to put all these guys together. And I'm going to make boxes. Here are my boxes, watch. See that? And then we moved over this way. And now all I've got to do is count. How many in this box right here? 2.
2.
How many in that box right there? 1. How many down here? None. How many right there? 2. How many right there? 1 of the hundreds gone. See, we just split and shift. We had this box. Look, 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 look. We have this box over here. Man, trying to hold the camera and do all of this at once is hard. Okay, see it? Do you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, now all we did is we moved this box over. Look, he's under the table. Get up and sit down on the chair. Alright, sit down nicely. Put both legs, there you go. Sit down nicely on your chair. Alright, squirmy boy. Now, look, I'm going to change the numbers. Oh, wait, before I do that, I'm going to see if I switch this one over. I move it over. There's this box is over here, and now this box is over here. I just moved the boxes over. Right? That's all I did. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make it bigger. Move this out of here. Now, I have, let's go 15 across. Oh, I'll tell you what, let's not go that big. Let's go, yeah, get that out of there. Let's go 13 and 12 for now. That's the across, that's the up. Can you build that? I want to be 13 across and 12 up.
What does the up and down mean?
Across, it needs to be 13, and up, it needs to be 12. That's a very good question.
I still don't
So now, these are my factors. Across, it needs to be 13.
Oh, 13
So make it 13 across. Now you're 20 across. Now you're 30 across. I want to be 13 across. Now, how far up am I supposed to be?
12.
12. Watch. Give me another 10.
Okay.
And another 10.
What?
Now really, you're going to tell me that you have a hard time building 13 by 12. See that?
Yeah.
Okay. So now count and tell me how much do I have there? 13 times 12 is what?
X.
X. Now you're counting in not base X but base 10.
Okay.
Count the big one first. What do I have?
100.
100. How many tens?
Oh, 50. So 156.
Good. There you go. 100, 5 tens, and 6. And you're correct. It's 156. Now, here's the problem. If you just write 156,
yeah,
you might get in trouble at school. Because just writing the right answer is no good. They want to see your work. They want to, right?
do you mean?
Exactly. What do you mean? Here's what I mean. I'm going to split and shift again. Watch. Take this. Take this. Split this over here. Split this over here. So everybody's with everybody else. See that? So now, all I got to do again, let's move down a little bit. Now all I got to do again is count and fill in my boxes. So I'm going to make the boxes. Right? That box is that box. That box is that box. Right? Okay, and then we got to put this box over here and this box over here. So can you tell me what's in this box here? How many?
2.
How many?
6.
How many there?
20.
20. 2 tens. How many right here?
3.
How many right here?
None.
None. Now, how many right there?
3.
3 what?
2 tens.
There you go. And
100.
100. Okay, so let's move this back over here. Now we got to be redundant about it. What's 6 and 0?
6 and 0. 6 and 0 is 6.
What's 3 plus 2?
5.
We've been building these, and then just the one. 156. There, we just showed our work. See that? Alright, now I'm going to give you one, and you got to build it. And don't tell me, oh, what does it mean 13 across? Well, it means 13 across. What does it mean 12 up? It means 12 up. So I'm giving you the factors this time, and you're telling me the whole thing. Before, I was giving you the whole thing, and you were telling me the sides, right? Are you ready? Look in the camera and say you're ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
I always start when you...
Alright, how about 14 times 12? You build it.
Okay. 14
Times 12, yes.
14. So let's grab one of that. 14 times 12.
Now you gotta go up 12. Yeah, get those guys in there. Fit those guys in. Keep going. You gotta fit those guys in there. We need more, not less. Now what? Uh-oh. You're only 14 by 11. So what do you have to do? You have to go up 12. Leave those there.
Okay.
Why would you take those away? Explain to me your thinking.
Because it says 12.
Well, I want to go up 12, and you're only up 11. I've got the 14 across. Is it? Look over here, Raymond. Is this 14 over here?
No.
Count it.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Is it 14 over here?
Yes.
Is it 14 over here?
Yes.
So have you got 14 across? But do you have 12 up, is my question. We want to go 12 up.
No.
Ugh. So what? Add another one. Now you're not 14 across anymore.
Up here.
You're right. But what are you going to do? You need to grab some extra. Grab another 10. And then what?
And then...
What? What are you going to do? What do you have to fit in there?
I'm going to make that a 2.
What are you going to fit right there?
2.
What do you need? Is a 2 going to fit there?
2 2s.
What's 2 2s?
4.
Why don't you just grab a 4 and stick it in there? Now, little boy, are you 12 by 14?
Yeah.
Show me the side that's 12. That's the side that's 14. Show me the side that's 12. There you go. Is it 12 everywhere? Sure is. What we're doing is we're counting 14 12 times. Here's 14 12 times. Now, can you tell me what the answer is? Count everybody. Count the big red one first.
100.
Mm-hmm.
And...
So you've got to add the 4 and the 2.
168.
Mm-hmm. Very good. A fine job. Now, again, can I just write 168?
Yeah.
Well, at the house of math you can, because I don't care. 168. Could I draw a picture of it?
Yeah.
Watch me draw a picture of it. There's my 100. 1, 2, 3, 4 across. 1, 2 up, and then I'll put the dots in because I know you like the dots. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's my picture of it. Now I can split and shift it. Split this over here like this. And see, here, there were my boxes, but now I'm just going to move them over.
Split.
Yes. So my 2 go over here, and my 8 goes over here.
This is why it's called split and
See?
shift. Yeah?
Yes, that's why it's called split and shift. So now we can count each one of what's in the boxes. Kind of fun, isn't it? All right, let's move these guys over here so we keep everything in copacetic and all right, and everything's okay. So what goes in that box? 2 4s. I know. How much is 2 4s?
2 4s. Oh yeah, 8.
Then what? 2 10s. Nothing over here. Tell me how much over there.
4.
4 what?
10.
And
2.
what?
Wait.
What? What's over there?
100.
100.
100.
Okay, so we'll put this over here, and then we can add them together. And what do we get? Zero and 8. How many? Well, we can go this way. We can go either way. Wait, just tell me what I have.
8. 6. 1.
There you go. 14 times 12, 168. If I had 14 Boy Scouts and each one of them had 12 pineapples,
By the way,
I'd have 168.
I am a Boy Scout.
You are a Boy Scout. That's why I tell you a Boy Scout story. Okay. Now what do you want to do? You want to do something else? Oh, here's what I want to do.
I'm pointing.
Here's what I want to do.
I'm pointing at what I want to do.
What do you want to do? Play What's Under the Cup?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what. We'll play What's Under the Cup, but we're going to play it without the cup.
Ooh.
And without blocks either.
What?
What if I had 3 plus... I don't know. There's my cup. But I did know that they're supposed to be the same length. They're supposed to be the same thing as...
6.
12. 6 is too easy.
Oh.
What has to be... What does that have to be?
6. 3, 6.
3 plus 6 is 9. I want 12. So get out 12, buddy. Here, you got a 10 and a 2. That's what it says we're supposed to be equal to. Get a 2. Be fast, I'm filming. 12. Now, get a 3. And put it here. See, there's our equal sign. You're telling me what has to fit there.
Okay.
Really? You're going to count it one at a time? Really?
Oh, this is an 8, so...
Is it an 8?
No.
Oh, he's going to count it one at a time. What does 3 need to be 10? That's why we build the add-ins in the beginning of the lesson. What's 3 need to be 10? Wait, let me get his expression. Expression is classic. What's 3 need to be 10? Grab a piece and put it in there. 3 certainly isn't enough. There you go. So what does 3 need to be 10?
7.
7. And what's 7 and 2 more?
9. That must be 9.
Grab a 9 and stick it over there. Go over there and get one of those 9s out of that pile.
Just flipped it. Did that just flip?
Alright. Pick that 8 up. He's down there looking for a 2. Look to your left. That's where you put it. Your other left. That's your right. Look to your left. Now look down. Obviously it's on the floor, not up. Okay, hold on a second. Alright, we've discovered the 8. It's back where it belongs. With his friends. What does X have to be?
9.
9. And here's how we figured it out. We took 3 from both sides. Right? If I take 3 away from this side and 3 away from this side, this thing right here, that tells me, leave this here, that tells me that this space has to be 9. And X is going to equal 9. You see that? Here's 0, 0. There's my 0. See the 0 right there?
Mm-hmm.
And you see the 9 right here?
And we could put that right here. Just get out.
Yes, we could put the. Yes, we could write it this way and write it like that.
I mean,
Or you could put the block there.
that's
Sure.
why I mean
Sure.
put the block.
Why not? All right. Why couldn't you just put the block over the 9? Okay. So see how the blocks and the symbols are meshing here? All right, let's play. You like to play What's Under the Cup? Let's play another one.
Yes. Not with
Yes.
the cup. Real
No cup. We're gonna use symbols. Real. We're going from real to imagination.
Good.
Okay, ready? How about 5 plus I don't know is 12.
12.
You go under the table one more time and you're going to be in trouble with me. All right. Go. We got 12 again. So put the 12 down.
Okay. 12.
12.
No, let's put 5.
Now, what do we need? Grab a 5 here. Okay, what's going to fit there?
7.
How do you know? You're right. How did you know?
That's a 5.
And 2 more is 7.
7.
There you go. Good job. So 5 plus 7 is 12. I'll show you the math again. Watch. Sure, put that 7 right there. Okay, good. Alright. So see, look. If I take away the 5, you might see my 0 right there? See the 0? Okay. Then I have, and I take away the 5 over here, because that's what I took it out of, is that 12. Can you see that I have 5 and 2 more? Right? And it's the same thing we're going to do over here when I start learning about subtraction. I'm not going to count backwards. I'm going to see that if I add 5, I'll have 2 more. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do I have to add? Well, I have to add the addend, which is 5, and 2 more, which gives me 7. See that? A lot of parents can't see that. There's the 5 right here, and there's the 2 more. So what do I add to the 5 to get is 5. This makes the 5, right? That's my 10, and the 2 more. So that's why we add the addend when we're doing subtraction. Okay. And all these concepts are getting absorbed all at once. Yep, here we go. All right. More what's under the cup. Let's not use 12 this time. Let's use what, you want to be bigger or smaller?
Small.
You want to be smaller?
Big.
Well, I can do smaller. Let's do one smaller and one bigger. How about 9 is what we're going to have. And we're going to say 4 plus something is 9. Now that should be duck soup. So grab a 9. Got a 9 right here. A 9 block. Right there. Get these guys out of the way. They're getting cluttering up the table. Yep. There you go. You're the one cleaning this up, just so you know. Alright, fine. Now we got our 9. What else do we need?
4.
Mm-hmm.
I know what we need. We need a 5.
Mm-hmm. And you're right. Excellent.
Grab another 5. Put it there.
Mm-hmm. And we can see 4 plus 5 is 9. Let's make a bigger one. That was too easy. I like it though. Built the add in. I like it. I like it a lot. See? There it is. Okay. How about we do some number like 14? And we're going to make 14 with an 8. 8 plus something is 14.
Okay.
I have 8 kids coming to my party, right? Actually, there's going to be 14 kids coming to my party, and 8 are already here. How many more are going to come if all 14 come? So build your 14. There he is, making it. 14. There's 10, and what? And 4.
And
good.
Let's put an 8.
Mm-hmm. Need an 8. There's an 8 right there. That same one that fell down on the ground. There he is. Yep. See, and notice how I've trained him not to put it over here, but to put it over there. So what do I need?
6.
6. 2 and 4 is 6. Good job. X is the same thing as 6 because 8 and 6 is 14. These are so easy. Let's make a bigger one. What if I had 15?
Oh, it's really
Too late.
done.
We're already done. See, and look, this is why we can play What's Under the Cup. It's super fast, and you can never cheat on. You can never look. You don't have to close your eyes, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so.
The other one, if you.
The other way's more fun, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you close your eyes for a long time, it makes your eyes hurt.
Okay, so 8 plus 5. Oh, wait, excuse me. X plus 8 is 15. I don't know what I was saying. Hold on a second. There we go. What plus 8 is 15?
What plus?
So get your 15 out first.
And put this over here.
Well, I'll put this over here.
Oh.
Still.
I said 7.
It's a 7. How do you know it's 7?
I said Evan.
How do you know it's 7?
These are yours.
2 plus the 5.
5, 6, 7. I just said that without saying it.
See, and this is the thing. If I subtract 8, I get hero 0. If I subtract 8 over here, add 2. That's the add in for 10. Add 2, get 7. Done. Pretty easy?
Yeah.
Let's do another one!
I noticed something.
What do you notice?
See this?
I like this part when they make discoveries and they notice something. What do you notice?
It's kind of like a stair shape.
Mm-hmm. And that stair shape is how much? Right there.
2.
Yeah. Okay. So, what if I did 15? And this time I'm going to put 9 plus X. What do you think has to be there? We're going to use the same 15 though.
Okay. This is going to be easy.
It is going to be easy, huh? What's it going to be?
6.
6. Easy. Take away the 9. Take away the 9. 1. Right? The add in there. 6. So X must be the same thing as 6. There it is.
Okay.
Get these other pieces out of here. Easy? Yeah, sure. Put the 6 in there. Likes putting it in there. Ruby, let's do something else. Isn't this too easy, or you want to do some more?
Too easy.
Too easy. This stuff's simple. Right. What if I made 2x squared, like you asked for it before? 2x squared.
Oh,
plus,
we're doing this now.
Mm-hmm. Plus 7x plus 12.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh, not 12. 6. 12 won't work. I'm being silly. Okay, so you need to get 2x squareds out. Those guys you can put away. Quit doing around with these. Get out 2x squareds. Well, just sit down. Here's one. There you go. Now, they need to be on the smooth side. Don't forget, we're playing with x squared now.
7x.
So, turn them over on the smooth side. There you go. Everybody's smooth, right? Because algebra is a smooth subject.
And you do not want to turn the ones that are...
No, those are, we know those are units, right?
And we know...
Okay, so we need 6. That's a 4. We need 6. Yeah, that's it. Those are negative.
Yeah, these ones have inside.
Anyway, get out the blocks you need.
Okay.
Do you have 7 there? Alright, sit down nicely in your chair, child. And a 6. You think you're going to be able to make a 6 like that?
Yes.
Alright, let's see. Here, I'll help you down. Uh-oh.
Well.
Now what? Well, we find that the 6 doesn't work. So what else could we make 6 out of? You're right, a 3 and another 3.
Found it.
Found it. Good job. What do you got?
2.
2x
And 3.
and 3.
And 2.
There you go. Let's write it down. Can you write it? Or should I write it?
Actually.
You should. Okay, I'm going to put the parentheses for you, though. equal sign. Go ahead.
What do you need the princess for anyways?
Because that tells us in mathematics. See, that's another good question. That's why we like little kids, because they want to know why and they ask all kinds of questions. Then when I put it in parentheses, it means whatever's in here times whatever's in there.
Oh, so it's
that's
just
what it
like
means.
Times.
It's just like times, exactly. It's just like multiplication.
It's like...
So tell me, write down 2x plus 3.
2.
Mm-hmm. Very good. X plus...
Plus...
A plus sign. 3.
3.
Very good. And over here, it's just...
Oh, yeah.
He's looking over here.
1, X...
Do we need to write the 1? Never need to write the 1.
Oh, yeah, X.
Just X. You're right, it's 1x, but we don't need the 1. Well, hold on a second. First off, is it...
I always get the 2's a
Alright,
3.
put the X over there. Plus...
2.
Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. That just says X2.
X2.
We want them to know that it's X plus. There you go. 2. Very good. Cap your pen. Good job. Is writing fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, on the whiteboard, writing's definitely fun. On a worksheet where you have to do it 50 times, that's not fun. But playing around on the and look at his motor skills. Anyway, but playing around on the whiteboard is
Really fun.
really fun. Okay. Oh. All right. Let's play around with a couple more of these. What do you say? We'll make a bigger one. How about 2x squared and
Do you have a feeling it's almost time
10x and 8?
Do you have a feeling?
Is it? I don't know. I don't even know what time it is. Time definitely goes by very quickly when you and I get together, though.
Yeah.
All right, so let's make it 10x and 8.
So let's look on that phone.
You want to look on the phone and see? I'll look in a minute. All right, and you start building, okay?
So
Okay,
2x.
so 2x squared, 10x, and 8. Here we go. Thanks for the pen.
So how much x do I have right now?
I don't know. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10.
Do you have 10?
Yeah.
Count that and tell me that's 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I can look at that and see that that's not the same as 10. So how many more do you need if you had 7 from before? There you go. Excellent. And then you need to figure out how to make it so that the 8 will fit in there. We'll come back. Darn it, I missed the discovery there.
2x and 2. 2x and 4.
Is it 2x and 4?
1x and 4.
1x and 4. And you figured out that rather than using a bunch of 2's, you could have used just 2 4's. You mean 4 2's and 2 4's are the same thing, aren't they? Okay. You want to write the factors? Okay, let me put these.
Let's see if it's
So what's it going to be across?
2.
Here.
2.
Here, put them in the box.
Uh-oh.
And write a nice 2.
That's not
Don't worry about that 2. Put another one over here.
Okay.
Okay.
2
X plus.
I know. 2.
And?
2.
Is it 2?
1.
Yeah, just put the X. Just write an X.
X
Plus.
It's funky X.
Funky X. It's okay. Alright, there's a nice 4. Cap your pen. I like it. Fine job. Pretty cool, huh?
Let's see if it's almost time to go.
I don't know. Is it time to go? I think it might be past time to go. You know that?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
I'm sweating.
Okay. Okay, so as it turns out, we were past time. Our hour's up. But we're going to do one song first. And then we
I can't see it that much because it's kind of bad.
Alright, fine. I'll move it over there. How's that? So, Crewton Ramone's House of Math. Why is this stuff hard? I don't understand why people have a hard time teaching their kids math. It's this easy. Alright.